Welcome students. Let's continue with rational numbers exercise 2D for class 7. My first question is find the additive inverse of. The word inverse means opposite. So additive inverse. So the additive inverse of 6. Now 6 means plus 6. So my answer will be minus 6. Similarly, the additive inverse of minus 3 upon 5 will be plus 3 upon 5 or simply 3 upon 5. Next, the additive inverse of 0 will be 0 because 0 is neither positive nor negative. Let's go to the next question. My next question is evaluate. Now, evaluate means to value. I have to find the value, 2 upon 3 minus 3 upon 4. 3 and 4, my denominators are different. So, what do I need to do? My next step will be find the LCM. To find the LCM of 3 and 4. 3 ones are 4, 4 ones are and 1. 4 ones are and 1. You needn't find the LCM because actually there are no common factors here. But still, just for you to understand, I have done this. So the LCM is 3 4s are 12. So I get 12. 3 goes how many times in 12? 3 goes 4 times. And 4 goes 3 times. So let's multiply. Minus 2 4s are 8. Minus 3 3s are 9. Now minus 8 minus 9. Same family, I will add. 8 plus 9 gives me 17. Put the sign of the bigger number. So my answer is minus 17 upon 12. I hope I'm clear with this. Let's go to the next sum. My next sum is 6 upon 11 minus of minus 3 upon 4. Now, nowhere I can take two signs at one place. So, 6 upon 11 minus and minus would give me plus 3 upon 4. Different denominators. So I need to take the LCM. My LCM here will be 44. 11 goes how many times? 4 times. 4 goes how many times? 11 times. So 6 4s are 24 plus 3 11s are 33. So let me add 24 plus 33. 4 plus 3 7, 2 plus 3 5. I get 57 upon 44. Now 57 upon 44, I cannot leave it as it is if I need to reduce. Can I reduce this? This will not, both are not even numbers, so I don't have anything in common. So I will leave it as it is. But wherever I can reduce, I need to reduce. My next question is subtract minus 3 upon 5 from minus 5 upon 6. From minus 5 upon 6. So this will be my first number. So minus 5 upon 6, I am subtracting. So minus, and then I will take this whole number. So that is minus 3 upon 5. My next step, minus 5 upon 6. We cannot have two signs in between. So minus and minus gives me plus 3 upon 5. Different denominators, take the LCM. The LCM here, I can directly do, there is nothing common, 6 5s are 30. Now, 6 goes how many times in 30? 6 goes 5 times. So 5 here. 5 goes 6 times. So 6 here. So minus 25 plus 18. Now, in my rough column, I will take minus 25 plus 18. Different family, subtract. So I borrow one here. So 8 when you take, you will get 7 from 15. So my answer will be, don't forget, put the sign of the bigger number. Minus 7 upon 30. Nothing common, I cannot reduce. So minus 7 upon 30 is in its standard form. Let's go to a similar question. Let's start with the next sum. Subtract minus 5 upon 6 from 3 upon 4. It is from, so you're taking the second number. So I have 3 upon 4 minus of minus 5 upon 6. I cannot have two signs. So 3 upon 4 minus and minus makes it plus 5 upon 6. 4 and 6 different denominators. So I need to take my LCM. 2 goes 2 times and 3. 2 goes 1 time and 3. 3 goes 1 time and 1. So my LCM will be 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So let me put 12. Now 4 goes how many times in 12? 4 3s are, so 3 times. 6 goes 2 times and 2. So 3 3s are 9 plus 5 times 2 is 10. So my answer is 9 plus 10 gives me 19 upon 12. Nothing common, I cannot reduce, so my answer remains the same. Our next question, let's read it first. The sum of two rational numbers is 4. Please remember, we need to understand certain terms like sum means add. Suppose if I say difference, difference means minus. When you say product, product stands for multiply. Now let's come back. The sum of two rational numbers is 4. Means something plus something is equal to minus 4. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 4. If one of them is 7 upon 16, so if one number of mine is 7 upon 16, find the other number. So there are two ways of doing it. You need to find this number. We have already learned algebra. So if I have x here, when I take the number from my left side, now this is plus 7 upon 16. When I take it on the other side, it will become minus 7 upon 16. This is one way of remembering. The other way you can do is, always remember, when you have the sum of two numbers is minus 4, if one of them is 7 upon 16, now I need to find the other number. So the other number is equal to sum minus the first number or the given number. The sum minus the first number or the given number. So that is, what is my sum? Minus 4. I need to subtract minus, which is the first number I have, 7 upon 16. So let me make this as 7 upon 16. Now if this is 7 upon 16, this is in the form of a fraction, or let me say a rational number, then 4 will also be 4 upon 1. Now let's find the answer. Let your working be in the rough column. Minus 4 upon 1 minus 7 upon 16. I don't need to take the LCM. I know here it will be 16. 1 goes how many times in 16? 1 goes 16 times. 16 will go how many times? 1 time. So I get 16 fours are 16 into 4. 16 fours are 64. So I get minus 64 minus 7 times 1 is 7. Minus 64 minus 7. Same family, add. So 7 plus 4 gives me 11. 6 plus 1, 7. Put the sign of the bigger number. So minus 71 upon 16. So my other number is minus 71 upon 16. So this is your answer. Your next question, what should be added to minus 5 upon 8 to get 5 upon 6? First, let me give you 2 hints. Whenever you get to here, what should be added, we take the second number minus the first. And whenever you have what should be subtracted, we take the first number minus the second. Now here we have what should be added. So that means I take the second number minus the first. Now let's do it in a proper manner. What should be added to minus 5 upon 8 means minus 5 upon 8. What should be added to minus 5 upon 8 to get 5 upon 6. So it is 5 upon 6 minus of minus 5 upon 8. So let's do it. 5 upon 6. You needn't do this, children. I've already given you a hint. Whenever you get to see what should be added, you can straight away take the second number minus the first. So 5 upon 6 minus of minus 5 upon 8. So 5 upon 6 minus and minus gives me plus 5 upon 8. Different denominators, I need to find the LCM. So the LCM of 6 and 8, table of 2. 3s are 6, 2 4s are 3 goes 1 time and 4 goes 1 time. 2 into 3 into 4. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So my LCM is 24. Now 6 goes how many times? 6 4 times 24. 8 3s are. So 3 times. So 5 4s are 20 plus 5 times 3 is 15. 20 plus 15 gives me 35. So 35 upon 24. I hope I'm clear with this. So your answer is, what should be added to minus 5 upon 8? So 35 upon 24 should be added to minus 5 upon 8 to give you the answer 5 upon 6. Now, our next question, what should be subtracted from minus 3 upon 5 to get 7 upon 10? As I mentioned in earlier, that whenever it is what should be subtracted, it will be first number minus second. Our earlier question was what should be added. So that's why we did second number minus first. I have here what should be subtracted. So first number minus second. So I have minus 3 upon 5 minus 7 upon 10. Different denominators. So if I take the LCM of 5 and 10, I get 10. 5 one time, and this is 2, 2 ones are, and 1. So 5 twos are 10. 5 goes how many times? 2 times. 10 goes 1 time. So minus 3 twos are 6, minus 7. So I have minus 6, minus 7. Same family, add. So 6 plus 7 gives me 13. Put the sign of the bigger number. So my answer is minus 13 upon 10. So what should be subtracted? Minus 13 upon 10 should be subtracted from minus 3 upon 5 to get 7 upon 10. With this, I finish with the exercise 2D. Please work out. If you have any problems, any difficulty, you can come back to me.